Malicious code, also known as malware, is any software that disrupts computer operation or unlawfully gathers confidential information. Computer viruses, Trojan horses, worms, and spyware are all considered malicious code. Malicious code can be transmitted through email attachments, websites, downloaded files, flash drives, and more. In this video, we will show you a few ways that malware is distributed and how to protect yourself from it.
I was going to make one quick change to my literature essay. It's due tomorrow. Let's see here. Okay. Alright. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go and save it now. What just happened? My screen just went black. That's weird. Couldn't be a virus. I have antivirus software. Now that I've started my computer back up, I'm going to check on my document to make sure that it's saved. What's this? All my files are gone. That's weird. I must have got a virus or something. I thought all my definitions were updated. I'll have to check here. It says your computer is protected. Let's check my definitions. There are 3 updates to be downloaded. Turns out that my virus definitions weren't up to date.
Do you know what the user did wrong in this situation? He has his antivirus software, so he thought he was protected from all attacks. But in reality he wasn't, because he didn't update his antivirus definitions. So what you want to do here is you want to make sure you have your most up-to-date antivirus definitions, so you are less at risk from all the attacks.
What's this? My friend sent me a cool screensaver. Let me check this out. Hey man, check out this cool screensaver I just found on the internet. It's free. Okay. Let me download this. That's weird. My computer just shut off. Let me turn it back on.
Do you see what he did wrong this time? This guy opened up an email from his friend that he wasn't expecting, and it said it had a screensaver. He downloaded it even though it looked suspicious, and he got himself a virus. So, in situations like this, what you want to do, you want to check with that sender to make sure that they sent the email and not someone else that hacked them. Because if it was a hacker, then they could be sending you a virus, and that's no good.
In this video, you saw 2 different ways that the average computer user can be harmed by malicious code. In the first clip, malware penetrated the computer system because the user did not have the most recent antivirus definitions. It is always important to have the most recent definitions to protect yourself against malware as quickly as it is identified. In the second clip, the computer user received malware from an email attachment that he thought contained a screensaver. The email appeared to come from a friend, so the computer user felt that it was safe to open. However, malware on the friend's computer actually sent the email, and the attachment contained malicious code rather than a screensaver, which ended up infecting the user's computer. So what are the best ways to protect against malicious code or malware? First, you should install antivirus and anti-malware software, and regularly update your definitions. You should perform antivirus and anti-malware scans on a regular basis. Use caution when opening email, and never open an email attachment unless you are certain that it contains a legitimate, clean file. And finally, know that it is impossible to be entirely protected from malicious code, but with every step you take to keep your computer safe, you are further protecting yourself, your data, and your identity.